Oh, no, Eli. Not your mouth. Give that back to Honey. Can you give it back to Honey?
No.